Hi guys, welcome to the shop. Here's a small little video I thought it was fun for uploading. I was finally making some progress on the Kart E2N lathe when this guy came up to me and asked me if I could do a little modification on a bushing for a sprocket. It's for a bicycle. He was modifying the bicycle for his little son, and he needed to mount a special sprocket on the back wheel. And he asked me if I could reduce the length of it, and if I could thread M30 by 1 inside. Well, I think I'll start with some measurements and a small drawing, and we'll see how it goes. So the overall height of the bushing right now is 40.4 millimeters, and he asked me if I could reduce it to about 24 millimeters. Accuracy wasn't a big problem. If it were 22 or 24 millimeters, that's not a problem. So I reduced the length. I start off with 24 millimeters. Makes it a little easier to put the threads inside, and if that's finished I can always reduce it a little more. So here's the nut he's gonna use, and I'm first gonna measure it because he thought it was M30 by 1, but if I measure it, it's not 30 millimeters, so I need to fit the threads on this nut. I will use my tailstock with the flat end to square up the workpiece. That way I'm sure I have enough grip and I end up with a straight cut. Come check the details. Hopefully it shows up on camera, but there's hardly any place for some threads, so it's going to be quite a job. The smooth surface you see inside is the surface for the bearing, and there is a circlip above, and only the first 5-6 millimeters there, that's the place where the threads should be, and it's hard to grab it in the chuck. So I've got a split ring, split bushing, goes around, and hopefully I can clamp it down. Okay, here we go. Good. Oh, dat zou nog wel zijn. Fuck. Okay. One screw up in the end. And I did get the final dimension. But we'll see if we can save it. and I'm not happy about it. Don't know if you guys can see it. I'll bring you in some closer once I cleaned it up. So that was quite a fuck up in the end. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I dialed in instead of out, and the cutting bit bit into the material, and the first pieces of thread are okay, but the last one is a bit fucked up. Okay, gonna fit this together, and I will make the second one off camera and I'll show the end results. So I've just finished the second one, and this one is a lot better. It fits quite nice, threads in all the way to the end, no fuck ups this time, so I guess job finished, and hopefully you will be satisfied with the results. There you go. Oh. Ready. Bearing in. I'm done.